How does the recently discovered drug dramatically speed up skin healing? This breakthrough could change how wounds heal forever by activating your body's hidden repair powers faster than ever before. This drug works by stimulating fibroblasts, the key skin cells responsible for generating new tissue. Normally, these cells take days to multiply and repair wounds. The drug activates a protein pathway called WNT signaling, which accelerates cell division and migration to the injury site. This jumpstarts the healing process and leads to faster skin regeneration than traditional methods. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury, but excessive inflammation can delay healing and cause scarring. The drug contains anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce swelling and immune overreaction. By controlling inflammation, it creates an optimal environment for skin cells to repair efficiently, resulting in smoother, faster recovery with minimal scarring. Healthy blood flow is crucial for healing because it delivers oxygen and nutrients that skin cells need to grow. This drug promotes the formation of new blood vessels, a process called angiogenesis, around the wound area. Enhanced circulation accelerates tissue repair and helps the skin regain strength and color faster than normal. This drug's ability to speed up skin healing by activating cell growth, reducing inflammation, and boosting blood flow is a game changer. Imagine faster recovery from injuries and less scarring. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay curious about the science changing your world.